Welcome back to another trade recap. Today I took one trade on the Nasdaq. I'm down around $1,000, and I kind of want to just run you through what I was going through throughout this trade. So let's go back to market open. So coming into market open, if it'll load here. Here we go. So coming into market open, we had this buy side resting above us, right? Coming into market open, ES had taken this high, NQ had not. So we have a bearish S&T externally with ES. So coming into market open, we have this bearish S&T. However, price could easily run through this and go and take this high. Now, what I wanted to see coming into market open, as you can see, we have an unfilled 4-hour right below us. So, and we had London lows resting below. So, here we are. Coming into market open, what I wanted to see was I wanted to see this bearish S&T stay intact, us have internal manipulation to go to London low, tap the unfilled 4-hour, and then move higher, right? So if we take a look, and let's just run through market open. At market open, okay, we're at 729. So at market open, we sell off. What do? Okay. We take the internal low, right? We take the internal low and we end up putting in a bullish SMT. Now, keep in mind, at this point in time, we put in a 15-minute change in the state and we run through this 15-minute inverse. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this SMT to most likely get ran through. So if we keep playing price, right? We end up coming up, coming down, taking that low, coming back up. And what ends up happening here is ES, what the hell? ES ends up coming up and at 746, so this candle right here, 746, we end up taking this internal high. And we also end up taking the 1-minute internal high. So what does that mean? We put in a bearish SMT at these internal highs, right? We put in a bearish SMT at these internal highs, as well as an SMT on the 1-minute high right here. And then keep in mind, we also still have this external high, right? We still have this external high with ES. So we have 3 bearish SMTs. Keep in mind, this bullish SMT is still intact. However, I would want to see exactly what I said earlier. I want to see us come down, take London low, tap into the 4-hour fair value gap, and then move higher and take out buy side. So what do? We come back up, ES takes the high. We fail to displace above this 1-minute change, indicating that, showing me that we might want to go lower, as well as continuing to hold this bearish fair value gap and failing to displace. So when we come up, take this high, we have an immediate reaction, and we have the 1-minute change to the downside. I entered short, right? And then also, if we go to the 5-minute here, if we can load, here we go. We continue to respect consummate encroachment of the 5-minute wick. And keep in mind, we've had the 15-minute change. We tapped back into the 15-minute change. Now, once I entered, we come all the way back up, and I get stopped out. Now, I am completely fine with taking this trade. The only thing that makes it lower probability that I realized after taking the trade is you're fighting a bullish S&T. However, if we just take a look at order flow, it's extremely bearish. I would want to see us come down, take London hot, London low. This is a loss I'm completely fine with taking. It has everything that I needed to see, indicating that price might want to go lower, but we just ended up having one more internal manipulation move, a stop rate, to then actually have the 1-minute change and go higher. So, like I said, that was my trade today. I'm down around $1,000. I'm still up around $1,100 on the week, but yeah, one trade, took the loss right on the chin, and I'm done for the day. Like I said, completely fine with taking this trade. The only thing that I didn't have is an inverse fair value gap, right? We did not have an inverse. We definitely probably had an inverse on the lower time frame if I'm looking. Let's see. Yeah, so on the 30-second, we had this massive 30-second inverse. So we did have an inverse on the lower time frame. But again, just generating more sell side liquidity to take it some other time. So this is part of the 25%. You take the loss on the chin and you move forward, right? Where you're still up on the week. These are the type of losses that you want to take. So that was my trade that I took today. Let me just show you guys. Oh, wait. I'm not connected to my broker, but I don't know why you guys wouldn't believe me if I took a loss. But that was my trade today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next trade recap.